a new workout top today. This is my brunch. I've got spinach, tomatoes, chicken, egg, and sourdough. I also cut up some oranges and strawberries. And then this is green tea. So this cup is super cute. My friend got it from me from Korea, Starbucks. And those are Lunar New Year collections. So I do full body workout every day and start off with legs. Dinner for the week is for 6 meals. It's minced turkey with tomatoes and veggies and mushrooms. I'm gonna eat it with pasta and some broccoli on the side. Just got my hair colored and trimmed. And the hairstylist was really nice. He did like an extra treatment because my hair was so dry. But I really like this new color. I am going into the office today. And this is my hair update after 5 days, almost a week. So I've been loving cooked oats recently, but this morning I'm too tired to start the stove, so I just did it in the microwave. And I used this container because my hazelnut butter was finishing. I just added oats, water, and soy milk, and I microwave it. After that, I added some yogurt, chia, and flaxseed, and some strawberries on top. Just finished breakfast. And now I realized that my room has been a mess for the past week or so. So we're gonna do some cleaning. And all this mess, I need to put things back in place. And do my laundry. Package from Shein just came, and I figure I should open it and try on the clothes because it's gonna get messy. So my table is finally somewhat clean now. And this area too. I still need to figure out the storage situation. Please let me know some idea. Wearing a cream colored knitted top and my favorite pairs of jeans again. I did some editing in the morning and also did some work on my assignment. Now I'm going out for lunch. such a cute cafe. Got a matcha latte. Yes, what? Some special elderflower fizz. Morning app check. So today I woke up really hungry, so I wanted to try out like a new recipe I saw online. We have tortilla wrap. I cut out some cabbage, carrots, defrosted some shrimp, and an egg. I ended up having to air fry the tortilla wrap because I couldn't flip it over. Cut out some oranges as well, and this is just a black tea.